This is my 11th standard on collisions. In this question, it says a girl is pedaling her boat with her and the mass of the boat at 90 kilograms going towards the right with an initial speed of 0.5 meters per second in a lake. There's no friction. The girl was checking her texts and accidentally collides with a larger boat with a woman in it, and with the mass of the woman and the boat is at 360 kilograms, who was at rest. The boat with the girl went 60 degrees above, and the boat with the woman went 30 degrees below, below the starting direction where the girl was pedaling. What are the final speeds of the boat? So first, I know that when the two object hits, momentum is conserved, and this is an elastic collision because they bounced away from each other. So kinetic energy is conserved. I know since the energy is conserved, I know my initial momentum is the same as my final momentum. And then the change in momentum is P1 initial minus P2 initial, and then equals P1 final plus P2 final in this plus right here. And since the bigger boat with the woman in it was at rest at the beginning, this will be 0. I know momentum equals mass times velocity. So I just replace the P's with MVs, and then this is M of the girl in the boat, initial mass times initial velocity equals the mass for the little girl mass and her final velocity, and at the angle, cosine angle of where she went, which was 60 degrees, and the addition of the mass of the woman in the larger boat with the boat, and the final velocity of that times cosine of the 30-degree angle. I know that 360 is 4 times 90, so mass 2 is 4 times mass 1. So I just replace to get rid of mass 2 so I can solve. I replace 4 times mass 1 equals mass 2, and then I can get rid of my mass. And then after that, I just plugged in all the numbers. After I plugged in all the numbers, I came out with 0.5 meters per second equals 0.5 V1F plus 3.6 V2F. And that is how I solved this problem.